Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I am for the hopefully, last time going to be making a video in front of this very ugly blank wall, and I'm about to tell you why. So I'm a little bit overexcited right now because it's still very new. I just placed the order, so I'm a little bit hyper. So I am about to be a new woman in more ways than one. That sounds wrong. Also, this camera is very crooked. That's a little bit better. Okay, so I ordered 2 carpets, which is like the main thing that I'm like super excited about. It wasn't the main reason behind the order, but that's like the main thing that I'm excited about. So I ordered 2 carpets and I measured it out like 40 times, and then I had my boyfriend double check it. So it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be beautiful. And on Monday, these 2 carpets are gonna get delivered, and I'm gonna be able to finally, hear me out. I have been living in this house for 1.5 years, and finally I will be able to be in this room with no echo. Mic drop moment, honestly. The problem with this room, it's tiled, and then we have blinds, and then we have walls. There's not a lot of sound dampening things in here, so the only option that I've been left with is to put my camera facing this way and open my closet doors so that my clothing can act as a sound dampening situation. Once the carpets come and I no longer have to do the whole open closet door thing for recording, I can actually rearrange my room and it can look professional. So I have my lights and everything sorted out. Right now, this is obviously not the greatest setup because I'm just like throwing on the camera to just share the news with you and also just to break my YouTube hiatus. It's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited. So Monday, I will be doing a little unboxing with you guys. We're gonna be seeing the carpets for the first time together. They're probably gonna look like ass because they were super cheap, and I'm guessing they're gonna be like super faded and the patterns are gonna be like mismatched, but it doesn't matter, okay? I didn't get them because, oh, they're pretty. I got them because they're cheap and they're carpets and I need sound dampening stuff to cover the tiles. So once we have that, life is about to change forever. And then the other thing that I got, which was the main reason why I started the order to begin with, was a sewing machine. I feel stupid for saying this, but growing up, my grandma always was like modifying my clothes for me. And obviously when you get older and you move out of the house, you no longer have that luxury. And there's kind of the situation right now where I feel weird as a 26-year-old adult going to grandma and be like, hey, I bought this shirt, but it doesn't fit right. Can you fix it? So I feel like I need to step up, become an adult, and learn how to do it myself. So I got this sewing machine. It wasn't the cheapest, but it was definitely not the most expensive. It was like still in the lower end of the price range, so I'm hoping it's decent. I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy. I'm just gonna be like fixing the extra space here, and some of the shirts that I got on Shein, like there's a little bit too much room up here, so I'll just be like lifting that a bit. That's not like anything crazy. You could technically do it with a needle and thread, but that's gonna be a lot of work. Also, I don't have the best reputation for doing anything in a straight line, so all of the shirts will be looking like this, which is why I finally made the decision to get the sewing machine, because it's gonna take me 10 minutes after I figure out how to make it work, because I never learned how to work one, but there's YouTube, it's fine. And then I have like shirts that look great and fit right, and it's gonna be perfect. And no one's gonna have one like it because I modified it to my body type. And once I do that, I can actually redo my probably like 50% of my wardrobe, because I feel like nothing fits right. That's why I keep buying oversized stuff, because at least then it's like, it's kind of okay, I guess. But then I can fix it and it's gonna look good and I'm gonna feel good. And it's just gonna be like the vibe for 2025, you know? That is the energy that I'm bringing into 2025, making things functional. I'm tired of settling for things that just aren't actually, it's like meh. I'm tired of the meh vibe. We need to step it up and attract bigger and better things. Yeah, that's it. Listen, I wasn't actually planning on making videos, so I look a little bit itched. So I'm gonna go and make some coffee and probably dinner because my stomach has been grumbling and the bugs are coming inside because it's summer in South Africa. My window's open and the lights are on and it's a whole thing. So I will see you guys very, very soon, and I can't wait to show you what we're gonna get. Fingers crossed it works out the way I need it to.